Good day,
Welcome to my
viewers.
channel.
So we are given this nice sequence and series to solve. And if you look at this now, starting from the left hand side, to know whether this is an AP or GP, we know that if is an AP, therefore we will be adding the common ratio to it. And if it's a GP, we'll be multiplying the common ratio to get the next term. So now, starting with a GP, look at this now. We have the second term to be x raised to the power of 1, which is here, and first term to be x raised to the power of 0. So we want to get the common ratio, that is second term divided by the first term, and this gives us x, which is there, x raised to the power of 1 is equal to x. And since s is the common ratio, so the first term times the common ratio, that's x raised to the power of 0 times x, is going to give us s. Also, s raised to the power of 1 times s is going to give us s squared. This implies that truly this is a geometry progression. It's a GP. So now, to solve this, we will need to find the sum of the GP. Find the sum of the GP. And the sum of a GP, the formula is, we have two formulas now. When R is greater than 1 and when R is less than 1. So in this now, since this is positive, it means that our common ratio is greater than 1. And when R is greater than 1, we have a open bracket R raised to power n minus 1 when R is greater than 1 divided by R minus 1. So A stands for the first term, and the first term in this quotient is s raised to the power of 0, while R stands for the common ratio. Don't forget to have solved it here. The common ratio is x, and n stands for the number of terms. If you count it, it's from s raised to the power of 0 to s raised to the power of 11. If you count it, you can see that it is 12. So the term here is 12. So let's substitute the parameters into the formula. Therefore, we have is equals to x raised to the power of 0, open bracket, r raised to the power of n, and r is s raised to the power of 12 minus 1 over x minus 1. So s raised to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, we have, since anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, so we have s raised to the power of 12 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So let's substitute
To watch more,
this into this.
subscribe.
Since we have gotten the sum of this, so we have s is the power of 12 minus 1 over s minus 1 is equals to x minus 3 plus s raised to the power of 12 over x minus 1. So now, next step is to multiply through by s minus 1. So multiply through by open bracket s minus 1. Therefore, if you multiply this by s minus 1, we have s raised to the power of 12 minus 1. Also multiply this by s minus 1, we have s open bracket s minus 1. And for this side also, we have minus 3 open bracket s minus 1. And here, if you multiply it by s minus 1, don't forget the base to cancel that which we used to multiply it. And here we have plus s is to the power of 12. So looking at this, these two cancel each other if you collect like times. Therefore, just cancel this out. And what should you do here? Just open the bracket. We have minus 1 is equals to s squared minus x minus 3s plus 3. So this has changed to a quadratic equation. Let's collect like terms and put it in the quadratic form. We have s squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. So the quadratic formula says s is equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You can use factorization method, but I prefer using this method. Opening to the next page. So we have our first term, which is a. We have our a, sorry, mistake. A to be 1, b to be equals to. So we have our a to be equals to 1, b to be equals to minus 4, and c equals to 4. So putting it into the formula, we have s minus 20 minus that's plus, that's where we have 4 plus or minus root minus 4 squared, that's 16, and the second side we have minus 4 times a, which is 1, minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 4, that's minus 16 divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So we have s is equals to 4 plus or minus, since if you subtract this is 0, root of 0 is 0 divided by 2. Therefore our two values for s is 2
To watch more, subscribe.
and 2. Just so that